Piraeus Bank Group is one of the most dynamic and actively expansive organizations. Its headquarters are in Greece, where all systems are linked up with Cyprus. Piraeus Bank in Cyprus has undertaken the strategic role to supervise the group's activities in Egypt, Russia, and New York. It is obvious that such an extensive network of operations calls for utmost caution in the handling of security issues. The group's devotion to environmental causes also means it is taking special care to control paper use and energy consumption.
The first request from Piraeus Bank was for multifunctional machines for all their branches.
In one of our subsequent meetings with the IT management of Piraeus Bank, we identified more sensitive needs for the bank's head office. Further monitoring, decrease in printing costs, and more security were required. We therefore proposed as a first step to proceed with an internal audit which gave the bank a taste of the value which Uniflow solution could deliver.
There is a virtual printer for black and white and color installed on the print server and shared for users. The user sends the print job to the Windows 2003 print server, or AS400 server, where the print jobs are stored until the user picks up their printouts at the Canon MFP. The Uniflow system from Canon is server-based and meets all relevant ICT requirements. The solution was configured according to and meeting the strong network security standards of Piraeus Bank. After identification, the user selects their print job, and the Uniflow MEAP applet pulls the print job from the print server for printing. After authentication with the personal proximity card, the user can print the job on every Canon or third-party machine. A unique feature of Canon, the Canon Universal Driver, allows users to set their print job once. And upon identification with proximity card at any device in the Piraeus Bank print environment, the user can select their print job from the user interface. This avoids the use of several different print drivers in a mixed print environment. Print jobs not printed are held for 1 hour and automatically deleted afterwards. This supports security rules in the bank and at the same time reduces storage space requirements. Costs are stored for each user or on department level. The department or finance manager can create monthly reports to allow full insight into the printing costs of their employees. The user has to log out after finishing. There is an automatic logout after 5 minutes. In this way, no other person is able to see the print job of others, thus supporting a fully controlled, secure printing environment. Similar to the printing process, the user has to authenticate with the personal proximity card when he or she wants to make a copy on the Canon MFP. Same process as with the printing flow, same benefits apply. The user has to authenticate with the personal proximity card and scan direct to myself. The Canon scanning function on the device and the integration with Microsoft Exchange allows users to easily digitize paper-based documents and send them from the MFP directly into their mailbox or network folder. Optionally, this functionality also allows Piraeus Bank to create a backup to network folders for repetitive tasks, such as sending invoices directly into an accounts receivable folder.
Uniflow provides a complete control over the printing fleet of Piraeus Bank. All printing and copying of the bank, together with an associated cost, can be tracked and stored. The built-in reporting system allows the IT department to see and control how much each printer and user is costing the company. This information can be used as part of a print audit to help decide future print purchases or to identify where cost savings can be made. Furthermore, Uniflow enables Piraeus Bank the creations of a true, universal secure printing environment at the bank. That means that confidential print jobs can be held centrally on a server and are only released when the user authenticates at the device. The user can go to any device in any location with the knowledge that their print job will be printed securely. And in the event of a print error, the user can go to any alternative device to print out their document. The result is that it saves time and money and ensures a more productive print environment at Piraeus Bank. A third big benefit of Uniflow is that it enables to route jobs to the cheapest device. Uniflow can be configured so that the user prints small jobs on the laser printer, but Uniflow can be set to overrule this. This means that the job is moved to the cheaper Canon multifunctional device or secure print queue when it is over a certain size, saving unnecessary cost.
We recommended Uniflow Output Manager Corporate Edition, including Secure Print and Follow Me printing. Our final proposal was based on 16 Canon copiers, 22 desktop printers, and 8 non-Canon copiers.
Canon's Uniflow seemed the ideal solution. The cost control was the key benefit of implementing Uniflow. This decreased paper waste and cost enormously.
According to our customer, we're able to professionally implement the requested solution within the set project timeline. More importantly, Piraeus Bank was deeply satisfied since we were able to exceed their expectations in cost savings while enhancing productivity of their employees.
Piraeus Bank has been cooperating with Canon from the day the bank was established in Cyprus. Furthermore, Canon's response time of delivery, plus its after-sales support, satisfied us completely. Since the installation of Uniflow, we have been able to save up to 40% of our printing costs. Additionally, we have a print solution that can fully control the printing in our bank. I believe this solution will support our business process way into the future. As a future development, we will investigate how the new scanning platform of Uniflow will allow even further increase of productivity in our offices.